Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to approach casino games with a strategic mindset. It is crucial to understand that every casino game has a built-in house advantage, meaning the odds are always slightly in favor of the casino. Our goal is to minimize that edge and manage your play responsibly. We will focus on strategies to improve your chances and make your gaming experience more enjoyable and sustainable over time. When choosing games, some offer significantly better odds than others. Blackjack, for instance, can have a house edge as low as 0.5% if you employ basic strategy. Video poker, with optimal play, can also offer a house edge under 1%. Games like craps and baccarat also present favorable bets, such as the pass line in craps or the banker bet in baccarat, which have a house edge of around 1.25%. Effective bankroll management is paramount to a positive casino experience. Before you even step foot in the casino, decide on a strict budget for your entire visit and commit to not exceeding it. It is wise to divide your total bankroll into smaller amounts for each gaming session. If you lose your allocated amount for a session, walk away. Chasing losses is a common pitfall that can lead to significant financial strain. To truly improve your chances, mastering game-specific strategies is essential. For blackjack, learning basic strategy charts can reduce the house edge to its minimum. In video poker, understanding optimal play for each hand is crucial. Familiarize yourself with the odds of different bets in games like craps and roulette. Always steer clear of sucker bets, which are often prominently displayed but carry a very high house advantage, sometimes exceeding 10%.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.